Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan proudly presents the Itsy Bitsy Spider and Friends, a fun finger play on a classic favorite. Many of us know a famous story about a spider on a rainy day called the Itsy Bitsy Spider. But I'm here to tell you, on that famous rainy day, there were in fact 3 spiders, and I'm going to introduce them to you right now. The Itsy Bitsy Spider was actually the middle-sized spider. There was a teensy tiny spider like this. The teensy tiny spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the teensy tiny spider went up the spout again. Now the one we know is the middle-sized spider. We put our hands here and we turn one of them around and touch pinky to thumb and then put them together. If they can't go together, you're twisting them the wrong way. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Last was a great big spider like this. The great big spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the great big spider went up the spout again. Now let's reverse the order and let's do it with our sound turned off. Now you know the true story of what happened that rainy day. Thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. I hope you enjoyed the Itsy Bitsy Spider and Friends. Please like and subscribe. And I'd love it if you'd hit that notification bell so you can be informed when new videos are coming out.